Lele the producer.
Lele Montana. Gang. All the niggas squilling out here. My niggas, they no talking. No lack. 400 block. Gang. Far pin for the guy. Bitches no talking, we gon' let them guns spray 223 right out the cake. Bullets gon' come tell your face if they question me about the case. There's no talking, no talking, no talking, no talking. Bitches no talking, we gon' let them guns spray 223 out the cake. Bullets gon' come tell your face if they question me about the case. It's no talking, no talking. No talk, bitches no talking, both about that fucking action. Hello, pistol clapping, when a lot of niggas acting funny. Shots up in the drum, fuck, boy, you better run, cause you know we keep our gun. And you better know that my niggas, we gon' be decayed. We gon' spray you like some mace. Bullets gon' come straight through your face. And your brains gon' be spilled, cause my niggas, they gon' kill ya. And understand my niggas ain't gon' squeal, cause all my niggas, they no talking and they no lacking. Whole bunch of guns clapping and whole bunch of acting.
Action?
All the op niggas acting. If my niggas being questioned by the folks, then I know they ain't gon' tell, cause my niggas ain't no hoe. We ain't tryna see no 12 nigga fuck jail. Y'all can go straight to hell, cause my niggas, we ain't tryna see no cell.
400
Gang.
400
Bitches no talking, but we let them guns spray 223 right out the cave. We gon' come tell your face if they question me about the case. It's no talk, no talking, no talk, no talk, no talking, no talking. Bitches no talking, we gon' let them guns spray 223 out the cave. Bullets gon' come tell your face if they question me about the case. It's no talk. No talking, no talk, no talk, no talk, no talking, no talk, no talk.
Lele the producer.